friends, Gary here. Welcome to today's video. It's going to be a quick one. I'm actually on a train ride with my wife Nora. Please say hello to Nora. Hi. And yeah, we're heading to Jakarta. And actually the reason we are going to Jakarta is because we want to go to our visa application for Iceland. Going to be exciting, guys, because later on this year we will visit Iceland again. It's going to be awesome because I cannot wait to get there, taking some more pictures with my wife, exploring the beautiful sceneries of Iceland. We really miss it. We went there in 2022. It was a few years ago. I'm sure quite a lot has not changed, but we just want to try to explore Iceland once again, especially the eastern part and the northern part, which we missed on our previous trip. Anyway, I'm on a train right now. It's a very exciting train ride because we have beautiful sceneries all along the way. We have all the greeneries, we have all the forests, we have all the little towns, we have all the small rivers. Really nice. It's just relaxing being on the train instead of an airplane where it is so hectic. You have to go through security, and the plane ride is just like riding a bus, but the bus can fly, so it's not really enjoyable for us. It's crowded, cramped, and the whole situation with the airplane thing is just not pleasant anymore. But look at this. I mean, look at the scenery. Plenty of greeneries, plenty of forests. Example, like right now, as you can see, wow, beautiful, the hills, the forest, the paddy field. Anyway, it's a beautiful ride. We're going to be about 6 hours from Yogyakarta to Jakarta, so quite a long ride, but it's an enjoyable one. Anyway, this is not part of my everyday photography vlog because I'm not going to show you how I take pictures during the train, but as usual, even though it's just a very short trip, I'm still bringing my camera with me. Of course, it's going to be the Panasonic Lumix GX850 or the GF9 because it's my smallest camera. I don't really need much features. I don't even think I will take pictures when I arrive in Jakarta. I just want to take pictures of the sceneries while I'm riding the train. So yeah, I want something that's simple, that's easy to use. And for the lens choice, I don't want to think too much because I just want to snap pictures, so I choose the super zoom lens, Panasonic Lumix 14 to 140mm f3.5 to f5.6. In terms of camera setting, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm shooting manual. That's very rare for me, but there's a reason, because with manual you can lock the settings, especially the aperture and the shutter speed. Anyway, for my setting right now for capturing the beautiful sceneries, I'm using f5.6 aperture and 1000 shutter speed. Quite high shutter speed because I want to freeze moments instantly so that I don't get any kind of motion blur with my camera. But anyway, I'm using auto ISO because I want my camera to be able to figure it out. I mean, in terms of exposure, let it do it automatically because I don't want to tinker too much with exposure or any other camera settings, because with train ride like this, sceneries are changing in split second, so you have to be reactive, you have to be responsive to the changing of the sceneries and be able to take pictures quickly. Camera setting should be the last thing on your mind. You should just focus on trying to nail the pictures. Anyway, let me show you some pictures taken using my Micro Four Thirds camera and lens, and hopefully you can enjoy them. Speaking of bringing camera gear during a trip, what are you guys' favorite travel cameras and lenses? Let's share them on the comment down below. I want to have a little bit of a chat with you guys. What is going to be your favorite lens for travel? Is it going to be a zoom lens, a prime lens, or both? Are you going to be bringing multiple lenses or even multiple cameras? What will you guys bring if you are on a situation similar like me, riding on a train with ever-changing sceneries that happens in split seconds? What will you use? I want to know. Let's have a little bit of discussion down below. It'll be interesting to read your comments. Anyway, that'll be all for my short vlog today. I hope you can enjoy today's video. I hope you are healthy. I hope you are well wherever you are. Warmest regard to you, and I hope to see you on the next video. Keep taking pictures, keep doing photography, and love the process as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.